Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Learn Skills TI Square Teach, Innovate, and Inspire. If you want to watch my other videos, you can open your browser, go for www.google.com, and you can type Learn Skills for your YouTube. And you can also subscribe to my channel for getting latest updates towards the technical sides. If you do have any queries, you can mail me. And if you want to go with technical workshops, you can call me to this number 7893939511. Okay, fine. In this video, you are going to see about how to use the Cisco packet tracer and how you are going to connect the PC with the router directly, and what are the different interfaces available in the router, and what are the different modes available in this router. Fine. But before proceeding to this video, I want to be clear that if you're watching this video, you should know about the IP addresses, then how the router looks in its real time in real life, and what are the different interfaces available in the router, such as console port, auxiliary port, serial port, ethernet port, such as things you should be known with it. And you should also know about cables such as straight, cross, console cable. If you don't know such stuff, you can mail me. I am going to respond to this email ID, and you can also call me to this number. Moreover, you can subscribe to my channel for getting the updates towards the networking side and technical side. Right now, in this video, I'm going to connect the system with the router directly with the help of the console cable using Cisco packet tracer, and I'm going to simulate it right now. Yes, get it started. See, this is my router, and you have the different switches, but I'm not going towards the switches right now. I'm clicking on the router. When you click on the router, different series of routers available on the right side. You can choose any one series in this group of series. I'm going with the 2811 series. Then I'm using my PC to connect directly to the router. Just I'm clicking on the PC. Then you can choose your own PC over here. Just click and drag over to this white document page. Then you can see over here the PC appeared on the screen. Right now I want to connect PC to the router. If I want to connect PC to the router, there should be some physical connectivity. What physical connectivity right now I'm using here is about the console cable, right? Why I need to use console cable? Because if you're connecting the router console port directly to the system, then you need to use the console cable. Okay, there are two ports, two sides, right? When I click on the PC, you can find two interfaces such as RS-232 and fast Ethernet, right? There are two interfaces which are available. Now you should know to which interface this console cable one end fixes on the PC. I cannot fix to the fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet, what does it mean? This is nothing but LAN card, or you can call it as Ethernet card. This is nothing but LAN card. Then what about RS-232 port? Yes, this is the exactly place where the console cable, where one side of console cable fixes in the PC, right? Then other side of console cable where we need to fix, just click on the router. When you click on the router, you can find different interfaces available over here, console and fast Ethernet 0/0/0/1. Right now I click on console port. Why? Because I need to go with initial configuration. That's the reason I am clicking with console port. That's it. This is about the physical connectivity, how you are going to connect with the help of Cisco packet tracer. In the next step, I'm going to show you is right now. See here, click on the PC. When you click on the PC, you are going to find different tabs available here. Just click on the desktop. You can see here PC. When you click switch on and switch off, this is switch off right now. When I switch on, you can see the light over here. Right now you click on the desktop. When you click on the desktop, you are going to find different types of options. Right now you click on IP configuration. When you click on IP configuration, you find the IP address. You can choose any IP address. Right now I choose 10.0.0.1. What is the default subnet mask for class A? 255.0.0.0. Then what do you mean by default gateway? The IP address of a router is considered to be default gateway. Right now what IP address I'm assigning to this interface of the router? See here, what interface? 10.0.0.2. This is my IP address which I'm assigning to the particular port of this router. Fine. Once it is done, just close it. Then go towards the router, click on the router. When you click on the router, you're going to find different tabs over here. Click on CLI. When you click on CLI, just press enter. You can see here the symbol over here, right? The greater than symbol. Sometimes it will ask you with options here. This is the option which is going to ask yes or no. When you are getting this such options, go with the no option. When you go with the no option, it will ask you to press return. You can press just enter. When you click on enter, you will be going to this symbol. This symbol denotes greater than, but when you type here enable, when you type here enable, this is known as user mode, right? When you type enable mode and press enter, it will take you to next level. This is known as what? Privilege mode. What it is known as? Privilege mode. I'm not going to write it. This is known as privilege mode. Here there are, with the help of this privilege mode, you are going to type such commands like show IP interface brief, show IP route, show version. There are different types of commands which we are going to see in the next video, right? After this privilege mode, when I go with config terminal, it will be taking to you global configuration mode, right? This is known as what? Global configuration mode. Okay. The next, what is the purpose of this global configuration mode? Before ending my video, just I want to show you what is the purpose of this configuration mode. Here exactly where you are going to configure the host names, each and everything which is related to the router. For example, for the initial step, I'm going to show you the router name, such as host name. You can give as Cisco or why it is not being taken over here. See here, there is a space, right? Right now, see here. So whenever you type something wrong, this will be given to you invalid input detected, right? So now host name Cisco R. When you type this and press enter, you can find here the name which I given to you, right? Okay. So host name, there are different types of commands. With the help of these commands, you are going to configure the router. You can watch in my next videos how to configure the router. This video is just to simulate the packet tracer and how to connect system to PC. That's it for this video.